Ever wondered about the roots of something you now take for granted? We often encounter services and products in their polished, modern form, without a second thought about their humble beginnings. But what if I told you that one of Australia's most popular micro-investing platforms, Raiz, wasn't always called Raiz? In fact, its journey began under a completely different name, with a vision that, while similar, had a distinct flavor of its own. Before it became the household name synonymous with rounding up your spare change and investing it, Raiz was known as acorns. Yes, like the tiny seed that grows into a mighty oak, acorns aim to help everyday people cultivate their wealth, one small contribution at a time. This wasn't just a rebrand, it was a transition that marked a significant evolution in its strategy, market focus, and even its very identity. So, what was Acorns, and how did it transform into the Raiz we know today? To understand Raiz before, we need to rewind a bit. Acorns was founded in the United States in 2012 by Walter and Jeff Cruttenden. Their core idea was revolutionary in its simplicity, make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their income or financial expertise. They recognized that traditional investing often felt intimidating and exclusive. By introducing the concept of roundups, automatically investing the spare change from everyday purchases, they democratized investing, turning what seemed like an insurmountable financial goal into a manageable daily habit. The beauty of Acorns was its psychological cleverness. It minimized the perceived pain of investing by making it feel almost effortless. Instead of consciously setting aside large sums, users were passively building their portfolios through tiny, incremental contributions. This approach resonated deeply, especially with younger generations and those new to investing. In 2016, the Acorns model made its way to Australia through a licensing agreement. This marked the beginning of Acorns Australia. While operating under the Acorns banner, it tailored its offerings to the Australian market, adhering to local regulations and financial landscapes. The core functionality remained the same, micro-investing through roundups, diversified portfolios, and an emphasis on financial literacy. It quickly gained traction, appealing to Australians looking for a simple, low-cost way to get started with investing. However, the journey wasn't without its twists. In 2018, Acorns Australia decided to part ways with its U.S. parent company. This strategic move was driven by a desire for greater autonomy and the ability to innovate more freely within the Australian market. With this separation came the need for a new identity, a name that would reflect its independent spirit and growing ambitions. And so, Raiz was born. The word Raiz means root in Spanish, a fitting metaphor for a platform that helps users plant the seeds of their financial future. The rebrand was more than just a name change, it signified a renewed commitment to its Australian users and a broader vision for financial empowerment. Raiz continued to expand its offerings, introducing features like Raiz Kids, custom portfolios, and partnerships that further cemented its position as a leading micro-investing platform. From a groundbreaking idea in the U.S. to an independent Australian powerhouse, the evolution from Acorns to Raiz is a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. It highlights how a simple yet brilliant concept can transcend borders and transform how people approach their financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.